record a video real quick? I want to record a video with you.
No way I know you're still crying over Triple T.
Kalis, I'm not crying over Triple T. I'm crying because I'm trying to get a money reindeer to complete the Christmas base, and everybody's trolling me and lying to me and saying they have it, but they don't have it. And then I friend them and invite them to the game, and they don't got it. And then they call me a grown man, by the way, and they say I'm pushing 30. And then they make fun of me. They call me bum. And now I'm sitting here after an hour and 48 minutes, literally just crying because I can't get a freaking money reindeer.
Chad, we're going to record a video before I go cry myself to sleep. We're going to record a video playing Jandal's new Roblox for the first time.
Can you react to the Arcane Odyssey 4 release trailer, please?
Not right now, man. Gotta record this video. I know you, dude. You really like Arcane Odyssey. That's like your thing. that is your thing, man. Oh.